Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna cover the topic. It's called fraction, and how many types of fraction, how we gonna solve like fractions and unlike fractions, we're gonna discuss in detail in this video. So before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please do subscribe. Yeah, and now back to the topic. It's called fraction. Yeah, so basically fraction is like, it's called, I would say, is less than the whole. It's called fraction, and fraction has two parts. Okay, so for example, if I say that this is 1 over 2, yeah, so the top part is called numerator and the bottom part is called denominator. So how to solve this fractions? Okay, so how many types of fractions? So first we're going to discuss is called proper fractions. Second one is improper fraction, yeah, and the third one is called mixed fraction or mixed number. Okay, so the proper fraction is the fraction what wherever numerator less than denominator. Okay, for example, if numerator is 3 and denominator is 4, is called proper fraction. So because numerator is less than denominator, and the improper fraction is just opposite of proper fractions, wherever is numerator is greater than denominator. For example, I'm gonna say 3 over 2. The 3 is a numerator is higher than denominator, is called improper fraction, and the mixed number is a combination of the whole number and the fraction. Okay, so mixed number is a combination of whole number plus fraction. Yeah, it can be a proper or improper. Yeah, okay, so whole number, I would say, for example, 1, and the fraction is 1 over 2, so we can write 1 whole number 1 over 2. This is called mixed number or mixed fraction. So these types of the fractions, okay, we have proper, improper and mixed number, and we're gonna discuss about how to solve these fraction question. But before that, we're gonna write down some rule. Okay, so for example, the rule number one is what? Rule number one is says to make same denominator. Yeah, to make same denominator. For example, if the denominator are same, very simple, very easy, you can solve this one. For example, if I say 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3, look at the denominator for these two fractions are same. So what you're going to do is, you very simple write, okay, as it is, denominator which is 3, and you're going to add numerator 1 and plus 2, so the answer is 3 over 3 is going to be cancelled. 3 times 1 is 3, so the answer is final is 1. So this is the way you need to solve the fractions. Okay, so because denominator must be same. Okay, so if the denominator are not same, so the rule number one say that to make the same denominator, but there is a certain way how to make the same denominator. So we can make the same denominator. So first we're gonna solve today those kind of the fraction, okay, which has a common multiple. So it means the denominators are common multiples. Okay, so common multiples means those number, okay, coming in the same timetable. Yeah, so how we're gonna discuss this one. For example, so the first things we're gonna solve, so what kind of the fraction? The fraction, this is, I'm gonna discuss unlike fraction, unlike fraction, unlike fraction with common multiples, common multiples. So is a common multiples means if I say that this is the fraction, okay, and the question, I would say that the question number 1, it says what, 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6. These are the unlike fractions. Because unlike, because the denominators are different. Whenever the fraction has, okay, two separate or two different denominator, yeah, so it means they call unlike fractions. Okay, but one thing is common. What is the common here? The common thing is the 6 and 3. Okay, they are common multiples because the both number goes to, okay, which timetable? Timetable 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, and 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15, yes, 6 times 3 is 18. So look at the 3 timetable, okay, and check. So both denominators, okay, goes with the same timetable, 3 and 6. So it means they are called common multiples. If you have a fraction with a common multiples, so how to make the same denominator? Very simple, okay? So you need to make this denominator, which is 3, to make it 6. The rule says you need to simply times by 2. Yeah, why I am times by 2? Because here is what? 3 times 2 is 6, yeah? So if I times with denominator, we need to times to numerator as well, okay? The rule says if you times with denominator, you must time with numerator. So 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6, and plus, and now 1 over 6, yeah? And now we can say the denominator are same, both are 6. Now keep the denominator as it is 6, and 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3, 3 over 6, and 3 and 6. Look at here, the rule number 2. The rule number 2, you need to copy this one, okay? What? Answer has to be lowest term. Lowest terms means 3 and 6 is the right answer, yeah? But check, these are the multiples, okay? Multiples mean they goes 3 times table. So look at this one, 3 times 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. So your answer is 1 over 2. So this is the way you can solve for unlike fraction with common multiples. We're gonna solve a couple of more examples, okay, so you understand how to solve, okay. So we're gonna solve one more question. So the question number question number 2 is 2 over 7 plus 3 over 14. So same as, look at this one, this is common multiple because 7 and 14 goes with the same timetable, which is 7, and we know that 7 times 2 is 14. If I timed with denominator, so I need to time with numerator as well, okay, with the same number. Now look at this one, 2 times 2 is 4, and 7 times 2 is 14, plus 3 over 14. Now we can see the 14 is now, we change to the same denominator. Now you keep 14 as it is, and 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7, and your answer is 7 over 14. But hang on a second, as I said to you, the rule number 2, it says answer has to be in lowest term, so it means 7 and 14 goes 7 times table, 7 times 1 is 7, and 7 times 2 is 14. So your answer is final 1 over 2. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please like and share with your family, friends, and if you have any questions, please leave in a comment section, and don't hesitate to contact us if you need any help and support for the preparation of 11 plus, and you can find my number in the bottom. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.